Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I got a 2022 Coachmen Freedom Express 321 FEDS. This floor plan is really cool. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a front living fifth wheel in a way. We got three different slides on this one. Opposing slides in the front, and then we also got another slide out in the back where there is, for the bedroom that is. One of the cool things about this one is that it's got an outdoor kitchen. You've seen it before, but you can see it again. We got a nice size fridge, some space for storage on the top and the bottom, and you got that really nice sink in there too. Guys, this one's got two different entrances. One entrance is to the back bedroom, and then one is into the living space. So let's go take a look inside. Bam, before you come on in, you can see up to your left here, we got the control center. Everything that you're gonna need for your controls right then and there. Super easy and awesome. You also got a bar right here with two different bar stools. So when you're having your coffee in the morning, you can just come on in and just sit right there as soon as you come on into the rig. Now, come on the inside. Look at this. It's so freaking beautiful. It's like a front living fifth wheel, right? We got our reclining chairs over here on this side. We got our couch on that side. And yes, this is a really big screen TV. And it is also controlled by this little switch here. You can bring it down all the way, and then you even get a look out the front. Look at that. So beautiful. Reminds me of a front living fifth wheel there. I think I've said that maybe 3 times, but I think it's super cool. You also got your fireplace down there because we know it's getting super cold out there. So even during your camping trips when you're camping, you can totally keep warm as well. And then it's also flush with everything, so it doesn't look like there's a TV there. It's just a nice little sight to see out the front. You got storage on both sides here, both compartments, which is super nice for your entertainment needs. You even have a storage down here. Shoot, lots and lots of storage. What I like about this one also, check out these slide outs. On the bottom, it's flush with the floor. No carpet, guys. So the pets that you have, they can totally be in here, and you don't have to clean up the carpet from all the shoe mess and dirt and stuff like that. You also got the dinette here. Super beautiful. It is a freestanding one, so you're able to move it. If you want to go and hang out outside, you totally can, and you can just take that out there. You even got storage underneath here. And yes, it's a pull one. So you got the full-size pull-out drawer underneath your dinette. Super freaking cool if you ask me. You also got a random storage place right here with adjustable shelving. So you can make it what you want and for your storage needs. You got here the kitchen, which got some storage on the top and the bottom here as well. And the countertops is Corian, guys. Really high quality stuff. We got the double sink, as well as the microwave, the 3-burner stove cooktop, and your oven there. Super, super beautiful. Even more storage underneath. Guys, if you need storage, this is the one, all right? You also got the 8 cubic fridge here, which is a pretty big size fridge compared to the other smaller ones. I think there's around 8 cubic feet or 6 cubic feet, but this one's the bigger one of them. Going to the back here, you also, like I said, guys, you got more storage here. Storage right there and storage on the bottom. You can totally do that and make it what you need. Check out this bathroom. Super nice, consistent interior throughout the entire coach. Nice walk-in shower. It's super beautiful. Super, super nice. Let's go to the bedroom in the back here and check this out. Super pretty, right? Got the dark interior, super nice. You got the 2 different reading lights up there, his and hers if you need it. And more storage for all of your clothes, okay? So you have them right all along there. You can even check yourself out in the mirror. Say what's up to yourself. You even got a dresser right here. Just super, super nice. And remember how I said you have 2 entrances? Here is the second entrance. You got it right here. So if you want to just go straight to your bed while you're camping, you can totally do that. Super nice. This does come also with the door, so if you just want more privacy, you're able to do that. just like this. Leave me alone, all right? Okay, I know you're listening. Okay. So, like I said, guys, if you have any questions whatsoever, this one's a really nice rig. This one's the Freedom Express 321 FEDS. Feel free to contact me, okay? My name is Kyle. You can call me at 541-799-8794. Would love to talk to you and answer all the questions you got, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.